What if I told you the biggest reason most YouTube automation channels fail in 2025 has nothing to do with the niche you pick? You could have the perfect niche, the best ideas, even a killer title, and still flop. Why? Because you picked the wrong style of video. The truth is, style can make or break your channel. Choose wrong, and even your best ideas die in silence. Choose right, and you can start making money, even with a small channel. So today, I'm going to walk you through the most profitable video styles for YouTube automation in 2025. The exact formats that actually work right now, and if you stick with me until the end, I'll reveal the one style I personally use that's absolutely crushing it. One style that works insanely well is the list format. Top 10 richest athletes, 5 best AI tools, 7 ways to save money fast. Viewers love them because they're easy to click, easy to watch, and they get curious to see if their guesses match your list. They also work perfectly for faceless channels. You can use stock footage, animations, or screen recordings. Another winning format, tutorials. How to is still one of the most searched phrases on YouTube. How to use ChatGPT for work, how to start investing. Tutorials are evergreen. They keep pulling in views months or even years later. And yes, they work faceless too. Just screen record, narrate, and edit with clean graphics. Then there's animated explainers. These short, polished animations break down a topic in 5 to 8 minutes, perfect for education, finance, tech, or self-improvement. They feel premium, keep viewers engaged, and can lead to higher CPMs and sponsorships. Compilations can work too, but only if you transform the content. Don't just rip clips. Add narration, context, or commentary. Done right, you'll get high watch time because people binge through them. Documentary-style storytelling is another powerhouse. Think the untold story of, or the rise and fall of, combine research, voiceover, and archival footage, and you'll have high-value videos people watch all the way through. Finally, there's trend reaction videos, a viral AI tool breaking finance news. Anything hot in your niche? Break it down, give your take, and publish fast while the trend is still peaking. These can blow up overnight. Now here, is the style 1D bet on in 2025 if I were starting fresh. Documentary-style storytelling, mixed with listicle hooks. It blends binge-worthy retention with evergreen search traffic. You build a loyal audience, your videos keep paying you months later, and you can do it all completely faceless. So before you upload your next video, ask yourself, am I using the right style, or am I setting myself up to fail? On YouTube, style isn't decoration. It's the difference between a channel that quietly dies and one that explodes. If you want, I can also add micro-tension cues and pacing shifts every 15 to 25 seconds so the retention curve stays almost flat. That would make it even stickier for watch time. Ask ChatGPT.